E aí galera, quem tá falando é o Hard, hoje estou trazendo mais vídeo pra vocês. Hoje estou trazendo um vídeo de Dodgeball. Então pessoal, eu vou estar cortando o áudio do microfone, porque se eu ficar falando, vou me desconcentrar e vou morrer bastante. Eu não sei se eu vou morrer muito, não sei se eu vou morrer pouco, porque eu fico tão nervoso pensando, eu não posso morrer, Eu fico nervoso e acabo morrendo, então eu não sei como é que vai ser esse vídeo, então, falou!
Chef's hat, nice job there. See what I did there? Oh god damn it. I'm gonna go over here. Seriously, fuck you guys. No lag. No lag. Stop that. Hi. It's like tennis or something. Real mature. Sorry. That was my fault. Sorry.
Victory.
Yeah, bollocks.
5, 4,
Hey!
2, 1.
14, wow, probably last. Hey, a minute! Look, I'm getting in people's way! No! Fine. Give me like a minute. I'm just following this rocket with my skull. I don't want to be the recipient of that. So, you know, just keep that rocket away from me, would you? Fuck, too close. Fuck. Bag, same thing.
3,
Yeah, that's pretty much. Almost a kill.
Fight to the death.
Fuck it, yo! Doo-doo. This is the shit! That's the shit. Touching them with my air.
5,
That's, if you get toxic, just run over them.
2,
Yeah, exactly.
fight.
Bug bait. Okay.
1. Fight to the death.
I'm going to fuck it up. I blast Den Flick and that's probably why I die. Thank you, Stylish!
First blood.
Your wisdom knows no bounds. I just don't want to practice it right now because there's too many people shooting. Oh god! Look! That was terrifying as...
Oh, bloody hell.
Of course. You see that thing that happens when I get hit by a rocket? That's how you, use your organs there, could you tell?
Double kill!
Yeah! Get away from me. Fuck, get away from me. Oh, okay, everything's back to colour. Oh.
Killing.
Oh no! What? Oh fuck! Get away from UFO. He's a bot. Oh bollocks! Get away from me! No! You traitor!
2, 1. Begin.
Oh hi everyone. Oh go. I would say place, but I don't like looking at a number higher than 1020.
That was fast.
That makes sense.
Use your organs there, could you tell?
Double kill!
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Ah.
How am I
Oh,
playing
right, that.
100?
5, 4.
I don't know.
Vote for Juggernaut, damn it! Type in this thing that I typed in. Excellent, yeah. Keep on doing that. Until we get a Juggernaut round.
That was fast.
I don't want any. God no.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight!
Hey guys! Look! I'm immortal! Someone shoots a rocket at me!
First blood!
I've got 10 seconds left. Seriously, someone shoot a rocket at me. Okay, you don't need to shoot one at me now, because it's gonna run out. Hi, stylish. Oh, it's like a little hat. Nice hat you got that. Now they're gonna shoot a
It was
rocket
a
at me.
nice hat.
Ah! I'm over here, you don't need to touch me. Ah! What? Ah! I'm going to laugh at you guys even though I can't kill you.
3, 2,
Never mind, I thought, oh, there we go.
begin!
Ah, la 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 la. Please don't shoot a rocket at me. I was only kidding when I was laughing at you.
That was fast.
You might want to shoot that there. Oh. Three stars. Ah! Why, Mr. Dodgeball? That's the... I did, and it came up as 1,977. So, you know, that's a number.
Oh, I'm sorry, Stylish. Maybe he won't give me his hat anymore. Not like he was going to do that in the first place.
All I need is practice and I'll get better, I think. Yeah,
I think you're going to need a puny bit more than practice.
5, 4,
Our teams are unbalanced. Smiley face. Because that's fun.
death.
Why did I tell them? I shouldn't have said anything and the rocket wouldn't have targeted me. I should really focus on playing the game rather than talking. Don't you agree?
Could be useful. Just a slight tip.
Oh my god, I could have air blasted that too.
Yes, but there's a difference between...
Oh, well done.
5,
Oh my god, it's Juggernaut.
3, 2,
Oh, God.
fight!
Oh look! Someone help me! Seriously, someone guard me. I'm like... Help!
I'm guarding you. I'm guarding you.
Help!
I'm guarding
I'm
you.
a Cayman Ice Cube!
But as soon as the rocket comes to you, I'm leaving.
Oh, I'll tell you when it comes towards me then. I'm up! Fuck it.
See how well I guarded you?
Of course he's the Juggernaut. Of course. This is just the shit. I really don't want to be in that way thing. Ah! I heard that. I felt that coming. I felt that. It's like beep, and it's like, oh, it's after me now. Smiley face. This is more of a horror game than Amnesia. No.
Killing spree.
I'm gonna take that as a...
Stylish. We're going to win because Stylish is alive. Good job. I'm now
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight to the death.
Yeah, great.
I'm now on the blue
Yay. This team's got auto
with
balance.
Jeff the Killer.
Wow.
First blood.
Oh no.
Die.
Thank you.